Hi everyone, it's June 2nd, 2013. I've got 6 hives out there, but today one of my hives swarmed. It was swarming right in this area here, just flying around, and we waited for it to come land. And what it did was, it landed over here in this tree, this bush. If I get in real close, you might be able to see the cluster. Actually, there's 2 clusters, but I believe the queen is probably in this one. And what I plan to do today yeah, they're in there too. See that? I'm going to try to get both those clusters out, but I believe the queen's in there because that one formed first. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to try to put it in this nuke. Shouldn't be that difficult. I have some old frames in there and some new frames. I've got lemongrass oil in the bottom, a little enticer. And I plan on just taking a couple frames out and shaking them in, and then setting the frames in very carefully. I have to cut the limbs out where the bees are. I don't want to leave them here too long. They've been sitting here now for about maybe a half hour or so. So it's important that I get them out and inside the hive, inside of a new hive or the nuke, before they decide to take off and go somewhere else. Anyways, I'm about ready to start trimming. So I'm going to put this, let me see if I can put this over here and actually set this up to film the trimming. Sorry about moving it around here, but I have to set the camera on a limb of some sort. See if I can't get it to tilt up. Maybe this limb right here. Okay, where are we? Okay, there's the tree. Let me see here. Is that up there where it is? Yeah, I'd say that's about right. So I'm going to go up there and trim that out, and then I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to pull this frame out first. So that they got plenty of room to drop in. This is an unused frame, but I do have frames here with drawn out wax, and I've put some honey on them because he didn't have any honey on, so I thought, okay, I'll just try to squirt a little bit of honey on the perimeters where the honey would normally be found. So, first thing I have to do is go up there and trim. Okay. Wish me luck. Here I go. Have to trim off all the excess limbs. Definitely don't need limbs on there when I'm trying to Alright, I'm going to take the whole limb out. There's a good cluster down there too. Grab a hold of it. Okay. Now hopefully the queen will be in this group. I won't know that until I get her in there. Okay, so now I'm going to move this down so you can see. Yeah, there's the hive. Let me put this. Okay, can you see that? Okay. what I want to do I'm hoping the queen ends up in there. I don't know that the queen's in there, but it would be really nice if she is. I'm going to put this limb down by the entrance, which is in the front here. I'm going to leave that right there. I'm hoping the queen's down the side here. Now I'm going to go up there and trim another limb. Like that. Okay. I'm going to go up there and trim that other limb out. Try to capture those bees too. No need wasting them, right? See here? Here's the other limb. Hopefully I can get the queen in there. Like I said, I don't know if she's in there or not. They're fanning. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush off the seams. Good. Okay. All we can do is cross our fingers. I'll show you the entrance to the hive. There's the entrance. They're going in all right. I just hope the queen's in there, like I said. We won't know that for a while. They keep going up into the limbs. I just hope I get them. Let me shake a few more down from the tree. I think I can reach that without the ladder. see workers and drones. Lots and lots of workers. Let me see if I can shake some of these inside. There. Better to get them inside the hive. Seems like a lot of bees flying around me, doesn't it? Well, let's cross our fingers and hope the queen's in there. I want to take this nuke back to the apiary where all the other hives are. I've got a spot to set it. That would be the ideal thing.